Pro Tools first. It's Avid's free version of Pro Tools. It's a little bit limited, but it's going to be great for anyone who wants to learn Pro Tools or is new to digital audio workstations and wants to get something recorded. What we're going to do today is just create a new project, and I'm going to show you some of the settings that you can change in Pro Tools, and then we'll be ready to go for the next tutorial. So once we open Pro Tools, we'll get our dashboard and you'll be able to sign into your Avid account. Avid allows you to create and store 3 projects in the cloud. So I have 2 already saved, and if I needed to, I have it backed up and I can download it from the cloud. So we're going to create a new project, so make sure you uncheck this Create from Template option, and I'm going to name my project Pro Tools First Tutorial. Welcome. So here's your general interface. I recommend maximizing this window right here. So this is your edit window. So you have the edit window and the mix window. So if I pull the mix window up, you'll see I don't have any tracks. If I wanted to create an audio track, I can just double click there and then it'll show up in the mix window. So you have some options here which we'll go through in a later tutorial. But what we're going to do right now is look at some of our setup options. So the most important menu here is going to be your playback engine. So make sure you have your audio interface selected, and mine is in O3 rack from 2007 is when I bought it, but it's still running. And we have this set up so our default output will be channels 1 and 2. Some other menus you might want to open are the hardware menu. So if you have an external preamp or something like that that uses ADAT, you can set it there. But most of the time you'll be using the internal clock source. Some other things you might want to look at are some of the windows. You can open up the big transport. You can open up a big counter. You can open up the color palette, which you can use to change the color of your tracks. So like this, you just change this to tracks, you can change your colors. And you can open up the system usage, which shows you how much memory you're using. So that's enough of this for now. On the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create tracks, and we'll keep going from here.